This lesson on uses for commas comes from the 8th grade Houghton Mifflin English book. Use commas to separate items in a series. This is where you'll come across the Oxford comma, which is the comma that comes before the conjunction. And I will show you examples in the next set so you can kind of see where we're coming from. Use a comma between two or more adjectives that come before a noun. Do not use a comma if they express a single idea. And finally, use a comma to separate the simple sentences in a compound sentence. So sentence number 1, this is an example of the Oxford comma that I was talking about. Photographers view the scene, comma, set the camera, comma, and shoot. You have 3 things here, so you have 2 commas. That Oxford comma is the one right before the conjunction. Modern cameras are complicated, but many of them are automatic. This is a compound sentence. There's 2 sentences involved, so you need to find the first sentence and put the comma. So modern cameras are complicated is a sentence, so we put the comma. Many of them are automatic as a sentence, we split it in the middle. Some impressive American cameras develop pictures instantly. Impressive American cameras, it's all one thought, so you do not need a comma in that sentence. Sentence 4, cameras are useful, entertaining, and relatively inexpensive. You have 3 adjectives, so you're going to have 2 commas. Useful, comma, entertaining, right before the and, the Oxford comma, and relatively inexpensive. You can take pictures anywhere with sensitive color film. Sensitive colored film is all one thought, so there's no separation there, so you don't need a comma. And finally, number 6, inexpensive cameras can take clear, lifelike pictures. In this case, you need a comma. You can almost put an and there. You can take clear and lifelike pictures, so you need to put the comma to separate those 2 thoughts. Okay, modern cameras are compact, light, and durable. You have 1, 2, 3 things. 3 things equals how many commas? 2. Compact, comma, light, comma. Good amateur photographers are becoming more common. It all is one thought. You don't need to separate this. A camera, some film, a good eye, and an interesting subject are the basic requirements for photography. A camera, comma, some film, comma, a good eye, comma. 4 things, 3 commas. Photography may seem like a recent invention, but people have been taking photographs for more than 150 years. Photography may seem like a recent invention as a sentence. People have been taking photographs for more than 150 years as a sentence. This is a compound sentence. So to separate the sentences, put a comma before the conjunction but. A practical French inventor produced the first sharp photograph in 1839. Practical and French are both describing inventor. It is one thought. First and sharp are describing photograph. It is one thought. You do not need a comma. His impressive, comma, exciting achievement caused a sensation. Again, you can almost put an and there. His impressive and exciting achievement caused a sensation. This one does need a comma.